Welcome everyone to today's lecture on establishing credibility and authority through effective communication. As presenters, it's crucial to convey credibility and authority to our audience to earn their trust and respect. In this session, we'll explore why effective communication is essential for establishing credibility and authority in presentations and strategies to achieve it. Number 1, confidence and assurance. Effective communication instills confidence and assurance in your audience, signaling credibility and authority. Confident body language. Maintaining strong posture, make eye contact, and use gestures that convey confidence and conviction in your message. Assured speech. Speak with clarity, conviction, and certainty, avoiding hesitations or uncertainties that may undermine your credibility. 2, expertise and knowledge. Effective communication showcases your expertise and knowledge on the presentation topic, establishing credibility and authority. Demonstrate expertise. Share relevant insights, examples, and data that demonstrate your depth of knowledge and understanding of the subject matter. Provide evidence. Support your assertions with credible sources, research findings, or real-world examples to reinforce your credibility as a reliable source of information. Number 3, transparency and authenticity. Transparent and authentic communication builds trust and credibility with your audience. Be genuine. Communicate authentically and transparently, expressing your genuine beliefs, values, and intentions without pretense or artifice. Acknowledge limitations. Be honest about any limitations or uncertainties surrounding your topic, demonstrating humility and integrity in your communication. 4, professionalism and poise. Professionalism and poise in your communication enhance your credibility and authority as a presenter. Maintain composure. Remain composed and poised even in challenging or high-pressure situations, demonstrating your ability to handle difficult circumstances with grace and professionalism. Respectful interaction. Treat your audience with respect, listening attentively to their questions and feedback, and responding thoughtfully and respectfully to their inquiries. Number 5, consistency and reliability. Consistent and reliable communication reinforces your credibility and authority over time. Consistent messaging ensures consistency in your messaging across all communication channels, reinforcing key points and themes to build trust and familiarity with your audience. Follow through. Honor your commitments and promises, delivering on your stated objectives and demonstrating reliability and accountability in your actions. Number 6, strategies for establishing credibility and authority. Let's explore some practical strategies to establish credibility and authority through effective communication in presentations. Preparation and practice. Thoroughly research a topic and prepare presentation materials in advance to demonstrate your expertise and knowledge. Rehearse your presentation multiple times to refine your delivery and ensure confidence and fluency in your communication. Audience-centric approach. Tailor your communication to the needs, interests, and preferences of your audience, demonstrating your understanding and empathy towards their concerns and priorities. Number 9, seek feedback and adapt. Solicit feedback from peers, mentors, or audience members to identify areas for improvement and refine your communication style accordingly. Continuously adapt and evolve your communication approach based on feedback and observation, striving for continuous improvement. Conclusion. Effective communication is indispensable for establishing credibility and authority in presentations. By exuding confidence and assurance, showcasing expertise and knowledge, practicing transparency and authenticity, maintaining professionalism and poise, and demonstrating consistency and reliability, you can earn trust and respect of your audience and establish yourself as a credible and authoritative presenter. The next lecture will discuss encouraging interaction and feedback in presentations. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. If you found these tips helpful in boosting your efficiency, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. For those of you looking to take your game to the next level, consider checking out the resources in the description to unlock exclusive strategies tailored just for you. And before you go, Make sure to check out the next video on our channel for even more insights and techniques to supercharge your efficiency. Remember, with the right tools and mindset, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Until next time, stay focused and stay productive.